video, I'm going to discuss CCS enrolments with a received status. What does an enrolment with a received status mean? This means that the enrolment has been submitted to CCS and you can see an enrolment ID. If the status is received, this means either the child's CRN or date of birth is missing, or the guardian's CRN and date of birth is missing. Once this data has been entered in against the child and the guardian, the enrolment will automatically update to the applicable status, so either pending eligibility or pending confirmation. Please note, if an enrolment is in a received status, this does not go to the guardian's MyGov account and a 200A notice has not been submitted to CCS. If you require any further information on enrolments with a received status, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.